But before we start our exercise, we need to know some of basics ideas. First of all, if you need to divide a term by another term, so we need to subtract the power. So we come up with x power 1. The same idea if you need to multiply a term by another term, so we come up with x 2 plus 3, which equal to x power 5. In addition to that, if you have 3x, for example, to the power 4, multiply by 2x power 2 minus 3x plus 5. So when you multiply here, you need to expand. That means you multiply the first term by the first term. So we come up with 3 times 2, 6. X power, add the power is going to be 6. Then positive times negative equal negative. 3 times 3 equals 9. X power 4 times x power 1 is going to be x power 5. Positive times positive as well positive. 3 times 5 equals 15 to the power x to the power 4. In addition to that, you need to remember how to use long division. So for example, if you have 846 divided by 2, so we have some steps here to do long divisions. The first step, we need to divide it. Number 2, multiply. Number 3, subtract. Number 4, bring down the next digit. So let's start to do that from left, from the highest digit, 8. 8 divided by 2, so we come up with 4. So I finished the first step. The second step, you need multiply. So you need to multiply. 4 times 2 equals 8. Then you need to subtract. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Bring down 4. Then bring down 6. So after you bring down, you have to redo again the steps. So 4 here divided by 2, so equals 2. This is the first one. Then multiply. 2 times 2 equal 4. Then subtract. It's gonna be 0. Then bring down next digit. So we come up with 6. After that, redo the steps again. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then minus. So we come up with 0. And we don't have another digit to bring down. So this is the final answer. And you come up with 423. So let's do our exercise here. We need to divide it x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 11x plus 6. This is polynomial by the expression x plus 2. And then fully factorize the expression. So let's start with the first part. So x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 11x then plus 6. Take care, this is power 3, then power 2, then power 1, and then power 0. After that, here we put x plus 2. Now I'm ready to divide it. Remember the steps: divide it, multiply, minus, then bring down next digits. So I'm gonna start from the left, from the highest power. And here we divided the first term by the first term, just it. X power 3 divided by x. We put x power 2 here. After that, you need to multiply. So x power 2 times x, we put x power 3 under this. X power 2 multiplied by positive 2x, so we put it positive 2x power 2. After that, take a line to prepare yourself to subtract. So to subtract here, you need to change the sign. Rather than positive, put it as negative, and rather than positive, put it as negative. Now I'm ready to subtract. That means now we started to add them. X power 3 minus x power 3, this is gone. 6 minus 2, we come up with 4x power 2, then bring down all the digits here. I finished the first step. The second step, redo again the steps. So divided the first term by the first term. Positive divided by positive equal positive. 4x power 2 divided by x equals just 4x. Then again, you have to multiply. 4x times x equals 4x power 2. Positive times positive equals positive. 4 times 2 equals 8x. Then take a line. So you need to change the sign to subtract. This is negative, positive become negative. Now collect normal. So we come up with 4x power 2 minus 4x power 2 gone. 11 minus 8, which equal to 3x plus 6. This is the second step. The third step, again, you have to redo again the steps. So 3x divided by x is going to be positive 3. Then started to multiply, we come up with 3x positive 6. Then put sign negative, then change the sign negative. Now you subtract, collected the common term, you come up with 0 here and you come up with 0 here, and this is your final answer. Then fully factorize the expression. So I bring x power 2 plus 4x plus 3. This is my answer. So I'm gonna start to factorize normally. So here x, this is x. The factor of 3, when we add them, equals 4. That means we have 3 times 1. The sign is similar here. According to the middle, we put positive, and this is the final answer. By the way, if you multiply x plus 2, multiply by x plus 3, multiply by x plus 1, so we come up again with your expression x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 11x plus 6, and this is the final answer. We have x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 11x plus 6 divided by x power 2 plus 4x plus 3. So first of all, write the first expression, x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 11x plus 6, and take care that your power in descending order. 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Divided by x power 2 plus 4x plus 3. Your steps is divided, then multiply, then minus, then bring down next digit. So x power 3 divided by x power 2, we come up with x, then multiply. X times x power 2, we come up with x power 3. X times positive 4x, we come up with 4x power 2, and x times 3 can be written as 3x. After that, we need to subtract. To subtract, you have to change the sign. This is negative, this is negative, this is negative, then start to collect the common term. 6 minus 4, we come up with 2x power 2. 11 minus 3, we come up with positive 8x, then plus 6. Then you have to redo the steps again. So divide the first term by the first term. So 2x power 2 divided by x, just we have positive 2 only. So 2 times x power 2, we come up with 2x power 2. 2 times 4, we come up with 8x. 2 times 3, we come up with 6. Then you need to subtract, so to change the sign of each term. Then started to subtract, you come up here with 0, and here with 0, and here with 0. And this is your final answer, x plus 2. By the way, if you multiply x plus 2 by the expression x power 2 plus 4x plus 3, you come up with the answer x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 11x plus 6 if you need to check your answer.